It's Mr. Sniffles here, and I've just discovered a secret that made my whiskers stand on end. You're already posting everything you buy, aren't you? Your morning coffee, your new trainers, little treats here and there. Well, here's the funny bit. Brands are willing to pay you for those posts. Real pounds, darling, real ones. No, sweetheart, it's not donations, it's social tip. A platform where brands reward you for honest posts about things you actually use. Buy, post, earn. Simple as a saucer of milk. And guess what? You don't need to be an influencer. You can have 200 followers, or even a private account, and brands will still pay you. Magic? Maybe, but mostly a very clever system. Categories? Oh, sweet kitten. Food, fashion, beauty, travel. If you've ever bought anything, you're already qualified. People on Social Tip earn from a few pounds to dozens per post. Real examples, a proper earnings calculator, all transparent, honest. Almost as satisfying as a fresh tin of tuna. Want in? Download Social Tip, pick a brand, post what you'd normally post, and get paid. No fuss, no nonsense, just pause and profit. I've left a lovely little QR code in the corner, and my referral link is in the description. Use it. Make Mr. Sniffles a very happy cat. And start earning from the posts you already make every single day. Off you go, darling. Those brands won't wait forever.